Hello guys, welcome all of you back with our database management system question set discussion series. Today we are going to discuss question set number 40. So let's get started. Our first question is, write the relational algebra query to see the product name of the registered product. Use the product stored as product table. First we need to use projection in order to do this. We use projection because we are going to take the product name from the product table. We are not going to take the all, we are going to use part of the table. So the column product name will be taken. So in that case we have to use the projection. After that we have to give the attribute. Attribute means the column name. After that we can use the relation. So in this case here we have used the projection. After that here we have given the name of the column. In this case the name is the product name column from product table. So this is our second question. It says, write the relational algebra query to check the username and password of the login details of the registered users. Registered users use the login details stored as system login table. So we need to use projection and then the names of the columns. In here we have to use username and password. After that the name of the table. This table is system login. Since we are using more than one column name, we have used a comma in here. This is our third question. It says, write the relational algebra query to see the user ID, first name, last name of the registered users. Use the table stored by registered users as user table. So we have to use projection. After that the column names, in this case user ID column, first name column and last name column. Then we have to give the table name. In this case the table name is user. This is our fourth question. It says, create a relational algebra query to see the product name and description of the products whose brand name is Bata. Use the brand ID as 2. Use the brand stored as brand table. So as you can see here, they have given us a condition. We have only need to take the product name and description out of that output. So in order to do that, we have to use both selection and projection in one statement. So we have used projection first and then the product name and description. Those are the column names that we need to find. After that we have to insert the table. Instead of inserting the table in here, we have to use a selection because we need to give a condition. And we have used selection. After that the condition in here, then the table name in here. So the condition is brand ID equal to and the table is product table. So if we think about this statement in our SQL, so it's more like select product name description from product table where brand ID is equal to. That's how this statement look like in SQL. So guys, that's all for today. In our next video, let's discuss question set number 41. Until then, have a nice day. Thank you.